Well, hi there pluckers, Arvosaur Fingers again with you with a bit of a help lesson. I did a lesson a while ago called End of the Line by Travelling Wilburys, which features an iconic sort of chord based intro. Okay, that sort of thing. Well, one of my viewers has written in and he has a bit of a problem playing this intro because his guitar joins the body at the 12th fret. My guitar joins the body at the 14th fret, as quite a lot of guitars do, but his guitar joins the body at the 12th fret. So when he plays the last line of that intro, the last two shapes are that shape. So that's for him is starting here, and when he goes to play the D chord, it's up here somewhere, so it becomes very difficult. Okay, I hadn't really thought about that when I did it, so it's just come to light, this issue. So I thought I'd make a little. It's asked for. My viewer has asked if I could suggest anything to get over this issue. Well, I've come up with something which hopefully suits the job. Okay, so the first two lines should be okay as it would be on this guitar. So that should be playable even if it's joined on the 12th fret on the here, because that just up here, that's just like that. So that should be okay to play like that. But the last line is the tricky one if your neck joins the body at the 12th fret. So instead of doing this, what I suggest, doesn't sound quite the same but it sounds similar, is this. Okay, not simpler than trying to play up here. So what I'm doing is I'm playing a partial G chord, barring the first two strings at the 3rd fret and the 4th fret of the 3rd string with my second finger, open 4th string as it is with all the other parts of this intro, and it's then take this shape up 2 frets. So I'm now barring the first two strings on the 5th fret, 6th fret on the 3rd, open 4th, so it's into the D shape that we were using in the other parts of the intro on the 7th and 8th fret, open 4th string again, then up 2 frets to an A chord with played as a D shape. Again, just move this D shape up 2 frets to the 9th and 10th fret, open 4th string, and the final chord would be a D but played like that, same as this, the G and the A earlier in this bit, barring the first two strings at the 10th fret and the 11th fret on the 3rd string, open 4th. That should be okay, I would have thought. If your body joins the neck at the 12th fret, you should just be able to do that reasonably comfortably. Okay, so now the 3rd line, which is a tricky line I think if your body does join the neck at the 12th, is this. Okay, so now the whole thing becomes and it doesn't sound too different. Okay, hopefully that'll help. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.